Welcome guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So 387, first unique character in a string. So given a string, find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. So for if it doesn't exist, then return -1. So in this case, the L does not repeat, so just return 0. And then for this one, L repeat, O repeat, and V does not repeat, so return 2. Okay, so it's very easy. We use a shortcut. So as count, basically someone to give a string as count for each will count how many in the list. So basically for I in range, if as count is 1, then we just return that 1. Then else we just return -1. Right? That's it. Because we just iterate each character in the string and see whether it counts 1 or not. Okay, so it's very straightforward. Okay, and although it takes a lot more, but I mean you can easily change this by other ways. But I mean, yeah, I mean it's very straightforward, easy question. Okay, so I will see you guys in other videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.